This is your captain speaking. So this is fireman's outfit which is being worn by one of our ship's crew members. He's putting on the fireman's outfit. He has put on the shoes, the pants and the jacket. He's putting the fireman's axe now. And now he's wearing the SCBA. Very nicely he has taken it up by himself without any support. He is putting the face mask. He has checked the pressure. There is sufficient pressure in the bottle. Now he is tightening the straps of the mask. He is ensuring that the mask is sealing properly to his face and no outside air or smoke must get inside. The mask is on the demand mode. That is, when he requires the air, then only the air is coming inside. There is another mode which is called positive air circulation mode, where you have the air continuously coming inside the mask. Now he has worn the helmet. Now he is putting the gloves. And he is now ready to enter inside a space to fight fire. Please attach the lifeline also. Somebody help. No need, you stand. So this is lifeline being attached to him. The lifeline is attached because with the mask on, the person cannot communicate with the officer in charge. So he can be communicated with the lifeline. Now we will show the instructions which are there for the lifeline. This is the second person who is wearing the fireman's outfit, and the first aid party has brought the resuscitator and the stretcher with them. This is the first firefighting party which is coming inside to fight the fire in the galley. So that is the galley door which they will enter. Okay, they are fighting the fire here.